How can human resources drive organizational success? Exploring effective HR management reveals key strategies that optimize employee contributions. Discover how recruitment, training, and engagement elevate performance. Human resources are vital assets for any organization. Their effective management can boost productivity and innovation. Optimizing employee contributions is essential for achieving organizational goals. Various strategies are employed to enhance HR effectiveness. These include recruitment, training, and workforce planning. Recruitment and selection are crucial for acquiring the right talent. Effective recruitment attracts qualified candidates. Selection identifies the best fit for organizational roles. The right talent ensures necessary skills for goal achievement. Job analysis and diverse recruitment channels support these processes. Training enhances employee skills and knowledge. It ensures employees can perform effectively. Continuous learning supports adaptability to changes. Onboarding and ongoing training are key strategies. Career development plans foster long-term growth. Performance management sets expectations and monitors progress. It provides feedback and evaluations to meet standards. Effective management drives high performance and improvement. Clear objectives and regular feedback are essential strategies. Development plans address performance gaps. Employee engagement is the emotional commitment to organizational goals. Engaged employees are more productive and motivated. High engagement leads to better service and lower turnover. An inclusive culture and recognition programs are vital. Open communication strengthens engagement. Workforce planning anticipates future staffing needs. It ensures the right skills are available at the right time. Proactive planning manages talent effectively. Forecasting and succession planning are key strategies. Flexible staffing arrangements support organizational needs. Diversity and inclusion value differences and offer equal opportunities. These practices enhance innovation and satisfaction. Diverse teams bring varied perspectives for better problem solving. D&I policies and training promote inclusion. Employee resource groups foster belonging. Compensation and benefits attract and retain talent. Competitive packages motivate employees and enhance satisfaction. Market benchmarking ensures fair compensation. Performance-based pay and comprehensive benefits are key strategies. Health insurance and retirement plans are essential offerings. Health and safety programs ensure employee well-being. A safe environment is essential for compliance and care culture. Prioritizing safety reduces accidents and enhances well-being. Regular risk assessments and training are crucial strategies. Wellness programs promote physical and mental health. Human resource planning ensures the right employees are in place. It addresses immediate and long-term needs. Planning helps manage turnover and align with trends. Responding to change is crucial for stability. Effective HRP supports organizational adaptability. HRP enables organizations to adapt to changes. Internal changes require shifts in workforce needs. External changes need agile responses in planning. Effective HRP maintains stability and competitive advantage. It ensures operational continuity during change. HRP helps manage staff turnover effectively. Understanding turnover rates aids in future planning. Succession planning ensures continuity in key roles. Proactive HRP mitigates turnover risks. It maintains operational stability and continuity. Forecasting predicts future staffing needs. Workforce demand analysis assesses future skill needs. Supply analysis evaluates current workforce capabilities. Accurate forecasting prevents overstaffing or understaffing. It ensures readiness for future demands. HRP aligns with employment trends to attract talent. Monitoring trends like remote work is crucial. Recruitment strategies must align with market trends. Emphasizing work-life balance attracts younger candidates. Aligning with trends enhances attraction and retention. Micro-level HRP manages daily staff operations. Clear employment terms define roles and expectations. Efficient scheduling ensures adequate staffing. Holiday planning maintains staffing during peak times. Effective micro-level HRP ensures smooth operations. Monitoring performance is crucial for productivity. KPIs provide measurable metrics for evaluation. Appraisals offer comprehensive performance reviews. Feedback from various sources enhances performance insights. Monitoring identifies areas needing improvement. Improvement plans address performance gaps. Training and targeted strategies enhance skills. Regular feedback guides professional growth. Aligning performance with strategic goals is key. Continuous improvement maintains high performance. Rewards motivate and recognize employee contributions. Performance-related pay incentivizes productivity. Bonuses provide immediate recognition for achievements. Advancement opportunities encourage skill development. Share options align interests with company success. Employee engagement impacts organizational success. Engaged employees are more committed and motivated. Training and development enhance engagement. A positive work environment boosts morale. Flexible working improves work-life balance. Various factors influence employee engagement. Training and development enhance skills and retention. A supportive environment boosts morale and productivity. Work-life balance reduces stress and improves well-being. Flexible working and social events foster engagement. In conclusion, understanding how to use human resources effectively is essential for building a productive, motivated, and high-performing workforce. Effective human resource utilization involves aligning employee skills with organizational needs, supporting professional development, fostering teamwork, and promoting employee well-being. By creating an environment where individuals are valued, empowered, and given the right opportunities, organizations can improve job satisfaction, reduce turnover, and enhance overall performance. Strategic use of human resources not only strengthens organizational capability, but also drives long-term success and growth. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.